Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to close a Fresha account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to of course the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Fresha application. Then you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Fresha if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom side of the screen, we have five tabs. As you can see, we have the schedule, we have the sales, plus where you can go and add appointment, group appointments, block times, sale, quick payment. We have, of course, the client list, and we have the, of course, here where you can check out all of the stuff about your profile. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and close a Fresha account. So basically, go to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. Then here you have a couple of options. As you can see, you have the profile, you have the reviews, settings, workspace, help and support, English, and log out. What you need to go and click on is the settings, which is the third option. Now here you just need to go and scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and here you have the delete account. You will delete all your personal information and won't be able to retrieve it. Are you sure you want to delete your account? If you want, click on delete your account. And here, account can't be deleted. You need to delete the workspace you own before you can delete it. So basically, before you want to delete your account, you need to go to the workspace and delete the workspace, which you can do here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.